we are going to see the second sum. So 999 the whole power 5 is equal to 1000 minus 1 the whole power 5 they have given. So now I am going to write down the binomial theorem formula. Okay, so now what is the formula they have given? X plus a the whole power n is equal to, what is the formula they have given? X power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 then a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 then a power 2 then plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus nc4 x power n minus 4 a power 4 plus nc5 x power n minus 5 then a power 5. So now we are going to just compare it and we are going to write down the what is the x value. So x equal to, what is the answer here? 1000. Then a equal to minus 1, because plus is here you have to take with the minus 1. Then n is equal to 5. Okay, now I am going to just expand it. So 1000 minus 1 the whole power 5 is there. So now I am going to expand 1000 whole power 5 plus 5c1 then 1000, then what is the n value? 5 minus 1 then minus 1 then plus 5c2 then 1000 what is the answer? 5 minus 2 then minus 1 the whole square plus 5c3 then 1000 5 minus 3 then minus 1 the whole power 3 then 5c4 then 1000 5 minus 4 then minus 1 the whole power 4 then 5c5 then 1000 5 minus 5 then minus 1 the whole power 5. Okay, so this is how we have to expand. How we are in the last sum we have expanded, likewise we have to expand it. Next, what you have to do? Then 1000 the whole power 5 means, okay, here 3 zeros is there. This 3 zeros you have to write for 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so likewise you have to write it. Next, 5 by 1 into 1000 whole power 4 minus 1. Then 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. Then 1000 the whole power 3 then into 1. So minus 1 the whole square means, what is the answer you will be getting? 1 only you will be getting. So next, what is that? You have to expand it here. Okay, next is 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. Okay, so that what you have to do it. Next is 1000 the whole power 2 then minus 1 plus 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 then 1000 the whole power 1 into 1. Then here anyway it will be 1 only, then 1000 the whole power 0 then minus 1. Okay, so this how you have to first of all expand it. Next, what you have to do? You just first of all then 1000, here what is the value? You just write it. I said no, 5 times this 3 zeros should be expanded. Then 5 into, then what you have to do? Then this one is 1000, how many times this 3 zeros? 4 times you just write it here. Okay, 4 times in the sense here like this you write this minus 1. Then plus you just cancel 1 times 2 times. So what is the answer? 10. So 1 2 then this is 3. Okay, plus then here also you just cancel it. Common terms you just cancel it. So 10. Here what is the answer? This 0 then 0 into minus 1 then plus here what is the cancellation? Here 4 4 3 3 2 2 then 5 into 1000 then plus here what is the answer? 1 into 1 into minus 1. Okay, now you see the alternatively this minus is going to come. Okay, the first is plus, next is minus. Next, what is answer will be getting? Here 1000. Here that is 5 times this 3 0 should be, you have to put it 1 2 3 4, then 5, then minus 5, then 0 0, then 0 0, then 0 0, then 0 0. Okay, plus then this 10, then 3 times you have to put it, then minus this, how many times you have to put it? 2 times you have to put it, then plus 5000, then minus 1. Here you see 1 is plus, 1 is minus, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, plus minus. Okay, alternative how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms is there. Okay, likewise you have to put it. Next, what you have to put it? We have to going to solve the both the two terms. We are going to solve it and subtract it. Okay, now we will see in the next page about this one. So first of all, I am taking as plus terms and all. First of all, I am going to take the plus terms. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, what I am doing? This 5, I am just going to take this one. This one I am going to take this as 5. Okay. So this 5, I am going to take it. So how many zeros is there? 1. Here 2, 3. Then this is 4. And here you just put it 5. Okay, afterwards what you just do? Here if you subtract means, okay, 0 0, then 0 0, then 0 0, then 0 0, you just cancel it means 9, then this is 1 9, this is 1. So what is the answer? You will be getting a 5 9 9. Okay, so this first two numbers if you solve means you will be getting this one. Next I am going to, what I am going to solve it? Next these two numbers. Okay, so this number, okay, so this number and this number I am going to solve it. Okay, next two numbers I am going to solve it. So 1 0 0 0, then 0 0, then 0 0. Next is 0 0, then 0, here 0, then 10. Now I am going to subtract it. After subtraction, what you will be getting? 0 0 0. Here also you put 0. Now here 0 will be coming. Next, what you have to do? Here 9, here 1, here 9, here 10. You just put it. So what is the answer? You will be getting 9 9 9. You will be getting. So this what you will be getting. Next is what you have to do it. Next two numbers you know. Okay, what is the next two numbers here? This is 5000 minus 1. What is the answer here? 5000 minus 1. What is the answer? You will be getting 4999. So 5000 minus 1. So 4999. Now I am going to add everything. Okay, add this 1, this 2 and 3. Okay, so now I am going to add in the sense 995, then 0 0, then 0, then 0, then 0 0. Okay, likewise you write it. Next here how many in this? 1 1 0 0, then 0, then that is the 2 times you have 0 you have written. Next is what you have to do? Put 0 here. Next is 9, then 9 9. Okay, here you just put the 9, you have to put it. Next what you have to do? Here 3 times 9, then 4 you have to put it. Next you just add it. So 9 9 9, then 4, then 0 0, 9 9, then 9. Here how many 0? 2 zeros you will be getting, then 9 9 5. Okay, so this what you will be getting the answer.